It gives Grap Coin great pleasure that you have visited their YouTube channel. Here is a further render update video. We discussed the potential of investing more money on a render update in previous updates, as you may recall, and many of you requested one. All I can do is look as far ahead as I can before a C wave crests and maybe even beyond, since the chart isn't very helpful because it's intricate and doesn't give us a strong basis. Consider it an upside-down ABC structure. Presently, a C wave is building. One major piece of proof that backs my theory is the way this rally has already responded to the 100% extension. That raises the possibility that the overall peak has already occurred. In one cycle, a C wave that started in this region in August of last year is not unusual to achieve the 100% extension level of the EA wave, which is the distance from the low on June 22nd to the high on May 23rd. While from a wave counting standpoint, the wave does not appear to be done yet, I want to emphasize that it does adhere to these Fibonacci levels, meaning that furthermore, this is wave 1, next are waves 2, 3, the retracement of wave 4, and perhaps wave 5. We can see from the 4-hour chart that this fifth wave to the upside may already have started and may be an ABC structure. In other words, although we had anticipated a complete price decline at this orange support zone, we will now focus on the high, as it might yet reach another bottom, just like many other coins. Having explored another angle, let's examine this from a bullish angle. The increase from the 2020 lows to the 2023 lows might be interpreted as an ending diagonal. The initial move in this can only represent the A wave that is visible at the moment, because it is far too short to make up the whole fifth wave, which would have an ABC structure. Although these corrective structures render the ABC structure in wave a totally untrustworthy, it is the best we have. This is a subset of the larger fifth wave. The A wave might therefore still be in its early phases, but a B wave retracement and a C wave surge ought to wrap things off. The next goal after 1,282 is $138. A C wave impulse rally is the best case scenario. There is a Fibonacci confluence at such level, which is also the next FIB level and the prior high from March of this year. Then comes a B wave drop and a C wave rise. At that level, things might also go worse. One may argue that the dip was simply the first wave of this three-wave corrective rally, and that the present downturn is the lovely second and third waves. This is the common thread the business is now dealing with, as it looks for its ideal placement, maybe in yellow. It will be important to watch how the next pullback forms. If the next retreat is corrective or impulsive, it can target or set off the lower levels of that orange support. The former is referred to be a B wave. All right, here's our alternative 4 is how it would essentially go. And from there, the present state would be a B wave rally, more precisely a wave down, B wave up, C wave down. While many other coins are striving for the same goal, you could counter that the white count won't rise until May 1st. As we are going toward corrective structures, it is intended to be corrective, even though it is not very likely to be perfectly balanced. Is leading the group, we beat the previous high, unlike many other coins. We will continue till the market tells us differently, since there is a clear confirmation point where we broke out and have some upward momentum, but in the end, I would want to see it reach $23. I have given you the render update. You are immensely valued for taking the time to view Grap Coin. I hope you enjoy this update. In that scenario, like, comment, and subscribe. Give it up.